I made a huge gamble. I worked 500 hours on a job application, and they left me on red like a bad date. 500 hours of deep work. No pay, no feedback, no direction, no tangible win. Just a finished product that no one ever saw.
Bruh.
What was the moment that you really put yourself out there and failed? When was the moment that you knew that you were an untapped goldmine of potential and greatness, but you weren't 100% sure how to get there? This was my moment. I spent 500 hours of research and implementation on a pitch deck, an 18-minute mock video, a 29-page brand guide, a 5-year timeline, and a summarizing index of all my work. And the business, as far as I know, didn't even read it. After 500 hours of work, in 6 months of silence, this was how the story ended. But no, instead of giving in, we are taking the reins. We're going to rewrite this story. We are going all in. I'm using everything I built to help you. We are rebranding and turning that unappreciated and unseen work into something greater. Something that transforms paradigms. Something that can't be ignored. I'm going to share that work and take you along for the process while we go all in. Designing systems that maximize your mind, fuel sustainable joy, build your business, and help bring your transformational dreams into the world of tomorrow. Have you felt overlooked or overburdened? Are you a youthful man who has business, leadership, self-help, and creative goals, but lack the clear path to get there? Do you feel like you are the only one who knows how valuable you are? Do you know your worth? And do you feel this deep in your loins?
What?
Enter the path and cover your loins. Like You is here to be alongside you. The tenacious creatives, overflowing with potential. Edging
Yikers.
on success, who are undervalued and not yet appreciated. We call you gladiators. We believe in you. I have many friends that fit this feeling. I fit this feeling. We are here to unshackle, unburden, equip, and empower you on our journey of bringing tangible, lasting, and paradigm-transforming greatness into the world of tomorrow. There's an injustice aimed at us, the gladiators. We're expected to run into unknown arenas with faulty tools and no team, with only our grit, to be tormented for the enjoyment of the critic. There's a lack of information, resources, and community for gladiators to actually win. Like You is a team of everymen
Nice copy.
that follow pain points and passions that lead to tangible projects that lead to comprehensive solutions. We operate within the self-help, productivity, and business arena. Okay, but what type of projects? What's the reason you're going to screenshot this and send it to your cousin? Well, together, this is a cooperative shtick. We're going to R&D, mini projects, like a productivity framework, a life mission statement, a personality profile, file management system, belief template, habit tracker, business creation steps, and a life plan.
Cha-ching.
What makes this exponentially more valuable is that these mini projects are interwoven and culminate into a mega project, a life system. But we'll get back to that later. That's what we do. But the reason you tag along for the journey is because of how you will grow and what you will take with you. Take with you where? Take with you on your way to tangible, lasting, and paradigm-transforming greatness. So why is our relationship important? Our interaction betwixt us. Why join this journey with me instead of going straight to ChatGPT or Alex Hormozy? I'm compelled, confident, convinced, convicted that there's value for an everyman community, a gladiator community, where I don't preach from the pulpit, but we stand together in the pews, creating together, creating tangible transformation together. Now we curate insights like ChatGPT. But we bring story, engagement, and a wider perspective. We share dependable research like industry experts, but approach it from a modern, relatable, and WIP POV. Our interaction, our togetherness makes us strong.
Stronger together. Forcida.
Emotionally, I'm Q. You're James Bond. Give me the time and resources, and I will equip you with the tools to accomplish your world-changing missions. Your mission is high stakes. It needs constant adaptation and requires immediate action. You are meant to change lives. You just need the tricked-out Aston Martin to get there. In my heart, I'm Samwise Gamgee to your Frodo. Bring me into your fellowship, and I'll be with you and empower you on your journey. Your journey is long, clouded, and requires untold tenacity. You have the weight of Middle-earth on you. I can't carry the ring, but I can carry you. Don't travel without Gramwise. Please. More simply, I'm the friend who's always there saying, how can I help? You don't have to do this alone. Whether you're on your James Bond mission, or your Frodo Baggins journey, or you just need a friend, gladiators are meant to transform paradigms, and we're here to ensure you do.
Stronger together.
If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like you keep running in circles, this is for you. Like you, we've been there. We've asked, what should I do? I don't know my next steps. Is it worth it? Am I worth it? Remember, like you, we were meant for more. Like you, we were filled with the potential to transform paradigms. Like you, we will bring forth paradigm transforming greatness. Like you, we are the transformation, and we will live in it. You have greatness within you. You've stewarded greatness into your life, and you will create lasting greatness. Do not rob yourself, and do not rob the world of who you are and what you can do. We've touched on what this side of the relationship will do. We will be the face of the gladiators within the community, co-creating content, empowering true identities, displaying empathetic zeal, prioritizing transparency, excessively researching, and building the systems. In this you-centered process, like you is delegated with the initial presentation. We mediate between you and the research, resources, community, and true identity to communicate this usefulness in an engaging format. And we do this through journeying through stories, research, and systems. We relish the process of success as much as the point of completion. And in that, we equip you with an empathetic community, engaging content, and empowering identity, proven insights, and actionable systems. So you can be unshackled, empowered, tenacious, and creative gladiators who are actively bringing their paradigm transforming greatness into the world of tomorrow. We do this first by bringing inner clarity to ourselves, our purpose, and our passions, so we can bring a fuller, truer you, building your business and your transformational dreams. For example, remember that life system we mentioned? That is our first series. These are the main sections within this life system framework: belief, identity, plan, do, track, reassess, and success. And within these sections, we have domains. These domains are like subcategories covering the area of our sections. For example, within belief, we have domains like spiritual, cultural, ideological, metaphysical, philosophical, psychological, and epistemological. Now we use these domains to research insight, absorb others' perspectives, and use or build templates and systems that help us bring these ideas into language, and language into action. With these free actionables, we will be able to go throughout life with thought-out convictions, be able to act out of your identity confidently, and build your dreams with unrestricted momentum. But that's just the initial direction. The true power comes from you, the community, the many, the gladiators. To constantly improve the templates, edit the frameworks, and build on the system. In this process, we strive for the end game of comprehensive, tangible, and lasting paradigm transforming greatness. With these templates, systems, community, and your gladiator tenacity equipped, the end game is yours.
This is Sparta!
Many have attempted to help others and change the world. I've dabbled, but never like this. This is different. Why? We're tackling it with talented friends, relentless tenacity, and most importantly, the time, talent, treasures. And most importantly, the time, ideas, and combined support of our tenacious gladiators. Like you. We are dependent on you. You are integral to the what, how, and why. You're the heartbeat of the project's process and purpose. This genre of content is called infotainment, and your action is the purpose and propelling force. If this series gets millions of views and not a single heart or paradigm is transformed, I breathe wasted breath. I'm not here just to entertain or coffee conversations. I'm here for world transformation.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so the reason you want to keep coming back weekly is for the equipping and empowering journey. We are gathering skill points like insights, systems, identity, and community so we can achieve our goals of tangible, lasting, and paradigm transforming greatness. The torch has been lit. The war cry championed. The time-sensitive call handed to you. Do you feel any of this? Does this resonate? Are you the only one who knows how truly valuable you are? Let's take up the mantle together. If we could have done it by ourselves, we would have done it already. Your calling is so large. It requires many hands to succeed. Many hands to support you to be all you are, many hands to support you to be all you can be, and to claim what you dream. What do I want from you? Nothing. What do I want for you? Everything I never had. Grindelwald. Whether you are confident success is inevitable, or unsure what to do with the beast within, lend me your time, and I'll help you build a life so meaningful they'll wish they'd paid attention. Emotionally engage in the content. Subscribe to the tube. Equip yourself with the newsletter, and devote yourself with resources to my OnlyFans. Spicy links in the bio. Like you, we are filled with the potential to transform paradigms. So let's be a part of this transformation. Everyone has to make the same choice, to live in their true identity and weighty purpose, unhindered by the world, or to stay in the comfort that you've always existed. Which is it for you? Who are you choosing? Who you have been, or who you can be? Worry, because it's soon over. The comfort ends, and at that point, there's nothing you can do about it. It's discomfort now or regret forever. And it's an urgent decision, because to delay makes the right decision harder. Indecision in itself is a choice. Not to decide is to decide not to. Decisions are made whether we make them or not. Time decides if you will not. And time always decides against you. Billy Graham. They've ignored us for too long, but by the time we're done, they'll wish they hadn't. Today, now, let us embark together on the journey they can't ignore. The journey to tangible, lasting, and paradigm transforming greatness.
What is your profession?